So hello, welcome there, and today we are going to look a quick look at the null coalescing operator. So how it is works. So it's a very powerful operator here. So in the screen you can see we have a string s which is a null, and then we are writing with the console write line. And what we are doing here is we are trying to convert that string s into the string, and with the null coalescing operator we are checking if it's a null string, if it's true. So what null coalescing operator here is doing, it's just checking for the null value here. So what do you think what will be the output here, as we asked in the video? So we assign a null. So let me put a debugger here and try to run this application, and we can see what will happen if we assign a null and try to convert in and checking with the null coalescing operator. So you can see here the debugger came here, and now when we try to put this null coalescing operator, what will be the output? So simply go to the CMD. So the output is a null string only, because what will happen is, like in the null coalescing operator, we'll check in the left hand side if the value is null or not. So here we can see the value is null. Definitely the value is null. So what it will take? It will take the null string here. So it's a very useful thing, because it's simply checking with the null. So null is simply, it's a null here. So assign null, I directly assign, and just simply quickly run this again and just see what will happen. So it's definitely a null string, because I have a null value. And null coalescing operator is a safer check, we can say, whenever there is a string is null. So what we can put, so in those scenarios, suppose we want to show some text there and it's not present, or maybe alternative text we want to show there, so we can simply show that the text is not available or something like that. So we can check with that, or we can see what will happen if I put some value there. So here string s I have, and I am going to put some not empty string here, simply just writing not empty, and just we run this application. So what will happen, it will convert to string and will print that. So yeah, you can saw the glimpse. So it will print that value. So it's a not empty string here, because the null coalescing operator no need to check if it's a null, because it's already not null value. So it will, what will show, it will simply do that check and simply print that. So for this type of video, as simple as this, please follow this channel and like, share, and subscribe.